Hello, people. How's your day? Now, here I am again this afternoon. I'm doing nothing, but just came to my mind that, I have to make a something dessert. Maybe I get bored of eating, regular meals. So I thought of making all root crabs, like binignit. So I'll show you my binignit today, this afternoon. So here's my binignit. It's all root crabs. We have the obe, the sweet potato, and we have the taro. Wow. Coconut milk and sesame seeds. Wow. That's all for my ingredients, but it tastes very, very good. It's yummy actually. Even without banana. Actually, we have banana, but I didn't put banana. And the sticker rice, I didn't put the sticker rice. With that, it's very, very great and best snacks after all for today.